Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. One thing that I consider very important when changing a diesel filter is to insert inside the filter. There are, various filters, various types filter, but well, normally some that have a metal casing, that the entire casing is changed, the complete filter and that's it, and then there are these others, that the diesel filter is inserted here, has a cover and a filter. In these, I have seen many people, I have observed how they remove the filter, put another one and that's it. No, let's see, I advise you to put a magnet there, because there are always metal chips, because this usually comes from where, normally, of the gauge pump, the pump that extracts, that takes out, the fuel from the tank of the vehicle, from the fuel tank. And it brings it here, to the filter, remember, because those metal shavings often get through the filters, and if it goes through the filter, it reaches the injection pump and can also reach the directors and can clog you the injection pump and the injectors. And we are already talking about very expensive breakdowns. On other occasions the magnet is passed and sometimes it is observed that it has dirt inside, so, in that case we already know that they are not metallic shavings. They are not dangerous, but dirt also clogs, so it's worth it. Not in this case, for example, but hey, it's worth sucking up this fuel and disposing of it. Always remember that point, always pass, if you do it, always pass by a magnet inside it, as I say, at the bottom of the fuel filter. Well, here you have the video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.